welcome back in channel SciTech Guru. In this I'm going to do the 5 heavy game speed test comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus the Realme X1 Max device. So this is another question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare between these both phones in terms of the speed test, and this one is related to the heavy games only I did include. So Asphalt 9 games, Battlegrounds mobile game, and Call of Duty, Free Fire, and the Genshin Impact. So this is going to be really very interesting and very challenging to see which phone can actually open these games fast. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate, friends. And the Snapdragon 778G processor and Dimensity 1200 chipset in the Realme X1 Max device. So I need to clear everything from the background, so all the apps are completely clean from the background at this moment, and I'm not using any kind of high performance mode or any kind of maybe GT mode, so there is no mode at all at this moment. But one thing I did add these games into the game space. So you do have the game space option. So that's another thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So first let's start with the first game, which is Asphalt 9 game. Let's see which phone can actually open this Asphalt 9 game faster. There's no apps running in the background. And the case which has got is a Realme GT Master Edition. So don't get confused between these both phones. That's the reason I did start to use the case in the video, so we can actually differentiate easily. And the first game, let's start with the Asphalt 9 game 1, 2, and 3. So here comes the phone, and both are opening with the game space. You can see slightly kind of loading fast in the Realme GT Master Edition. I did observe like the loading speed, but let's see which will take the home screen first. It's a kind of another interesting question. And here comes the winner. So 1, 2, and Realme X1 Max, just 1 second faster than the Realme GT Master Edition. Not bad. Next is the Battlegrounds mobile game 1, 2, and 3. So let's see this game. So in the RAM management test, we should not be worried that much, because a lot of users did mention that we won't play this many games in the background RAM management. Then can you please try to concentrate on the speed test? That's the reason I'm trying to concentrate on the speed test only. And here we go, the difference, what is happening in the Battlegrounds mobile game. Realme GT Master Edition was able to open faster than the Realme X1 Max, as you can see clearly. Next is the Call of Duty. Let's see the Call of Duty game. And these only just 5 heavy games. I do know that like Free Fire is not that heavy game, but this is another request from the Free Fire users. So there are a couple of users who are actually asking me for a very long time, asking me to include only the Free Fire game. So that's the reason I did include in this heavy test. And let's see what's going to happen in the speed test. Call of Duty first game to open in the Realme GT Master Edition. 2 points for the Realme GT Master Edition. So first is a Battlegrounds mobile game and Call of Duty game as well. Not bad. And next is a Free Fire game 1, 2, 3. So both games are loading with the game space, and we should see the logo first. So first in the Realme X1 Max, next in the Realme GT Master Edition. There's not a huge difference in terms of the opening speeds, so it's kind of really very close to each other. Not bad in terms of the opening speeds. I think I did not create the account. I need to create the account in this one. So let me try to start the game again, this FIFA game only. I'll try to load again. Let's see. So sorry for the disturbance. 1, 2, and 3. Let's see this time. So I did log in the FIFA game as well, and now we should be able to see the slightly faster loading in the Realme X1 Max at this moment. We got the tap to screen option as well, and Realme GT Master Edition, now we got the tap to screen. So a little bit difference is there between the Realme X1 Max and the Realme GT Master Edition. On final game, which is a Genshin Impact game. So this is a game a lot of you are actually waiting. Let's see this Genshin Impact, which phone can actually open that login page first. And first page I did see the Genshin Impact in the Realme X1 Max. It's taking a little bit time to open. In the Realme GT Master Edition, definitely I can understand, considering this is a heavy game. And one more thing, I did have the same account in both phones. Okay, I'll try to tap at same time, same account in both phones, and I'm going to see which phone will log in into the Genshin Impact game. Just as a guess, I'm trying to check 1, 2, and 3. I did click at same time, same account in both phones. So the phone which loads first will enter into the Genshin Impact game. The phone which loads next will stay outside. So 1, 2, and let's tap again 1, 2, 3. Now we'll be seeing that which phone can actually enter first. The Realme GT did enter into the game, just as a guess I thought of doing this kind of unique test. But anyways, the Realme X1 Max was able to open 3 games faster than the Realme GT Master Edition in terms of the speed test comparison. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, friends. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of reviews. Even I'm planning to do the Genshin Impact review as soon as possible in my channel, so stay tuned for those videos as well. That's going to be really very interesting, because I did not do this kind of Genshin Impact gameplay test in my channel playing in the Realme GT Master Edition. So it's going to be really very interesting to see how well this phone gonna perform in the speed test and in the maintaining the FPS count. Now let's check the RAM management, what is happening between the both phones. They should be able to manage this kind of games without any kind of issues, but I did open the Genshin Impact big game. That might be another reason why sometimes the games get close. So Realme X1 Max was able to keep in the RAM management. Another thing is even the 6GB RAM variant right now I'm trying to use, that's another thing. So 6GB plus 5GB extended RAM capabilities, and Asphalt 9 game got reloaded in the Realme X1 Max as well. So in terms of the speed test, friends, the Realme X1 Max has got slight advantage in opening speed. So the only thing you should be worried about this thing only is in terms of loading speeds, which phone is really quick in terms of the loading category. Thank you for watching this video, friends, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check the playlist for more information as well. And even the Realme GT Master Edition is not bad, even it was able to open few games faster than the Realme X1 Max. That's quite, so you can clearly see what is happening. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.